Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is the automatic pet feeder. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and the capacity that's on the product is 3 liters. If you guys turn to the side right here, they do probably got some specs and features that's on the product. So they mention how it does have a manual feeding and also scheduled feeding option as well. It's really easy for it to clean. There's an anti-stuck design, so that way the food won't get clogged up inside. They do mention how it does have a dual power supply, so you definitely plug in a cable to actually activate it, or you guys can actually put in battery as well. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, you can see the inside is well protected. So if you guys do take this part out, once you guys do take it out, you can see we do have the product inside. So let's take it out. So right here, you can see we do have the product. Let's take out the wrapper as well. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the front right here, we do have the brand logo. Right here, we do have a clear design, so that way you can see how much food is left inside. And right here, we do have the touch control, so that way you can select what you guys want to use. Bottom part right here is basically where the food will dispense out. And then right here, we do have the slot for you to put the tray, which should be inside. Bottom part right here, you can see we do have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put on flat surface, it won't move around. And then right here, we do have the battery compartment. And underneath that, you can see we do have the slot for you guys to pull the cable out when you guys do plug it in. So let's do open up. That is basically what the inside looks like. So it does require 3D batteries, but if you guys do the wired option, you basically want to plug it in right here, which is basically a USB-C cable. So having that dual power option is actually pretty cool. So that way if you guys ever run out of battery or if there's no electricity, you do have a backup option. But we'll close it back up for now. On the side right here, and the other side as well, we do have a button. So we have to press on both of them. That basically allows you guys to take out the inside, so that way if you guys want to wash your lid or something, you do have the option available. But that is basically what the inside looks like. So the food is going to be dispensed out right here, and then right here we do have the dispenser option. But see the inside we do have some stuff, but close that up for now because it's another way for us to open it. So right now the lid is locked, so if you guys try to pull it out, it won't open. But if you guys unlock it, if you guys take it out, that is basically what the inside looks like. And we see inside right here we do have a Desiccant Slot for you to put the desiccant inside to help you guys with any of the odor if there is any. But inside right here we do have everything else, so take it all out. So inside right here you can see we do have the user manual, and they do provide the cable, so take it all out. So this is the user manual, and then right here we do have the outlet and the cable, so let's do take it out. Here is basically the plug outlet with a USB, and then right here we do have the cable which is USB to USB-C. You can see on the other side right here. If you guys notice for the cable that we do have, it is nylon braided, so it is a high quality cable. And the inside right here, you can see they do probably got a desiccant bag that you can put inside. So you just want to put this inside like this, and close it back up. So just like that. And now you guys have the desiccant set up inside. And the last thing inside is the bolt option. So the way how you take it out, you basically want to open on the side. So once you guys take out the bowl, here is basically what the bowl looks like. So now let's put everything back together and set it up to show you guys what the product looks like. So this one goes right here. And obviously once you guys do take everything out, you can put the food inside. We'll close it back up for now. And lock it. And you guys put this part right here. That basically locks it in place, which is pretty nice. So that way now the food can dispense inside. So now let's plug in the cable to show you guys how it works and what the product looks like first. So you basically want to use the cable that's provided for you guys. So you guys want to plug this into your outlet. And you don't plug in the USB side first. The other side can be plugged on the product. So you want to plug it in right here. And you don't fix the cable inside right here. And since it is nylon braided, it's really easy for you guys to actually set it up right here compared to your normal cables. So just like that. And then once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does turn on. So even if you guys don't put the battery in, you do have the option plug-in cable like I mentioned. If you guys are curious about how to use the button on the actual product, they do provide us information right here. So right here we do have the manual feed button. Right here we do have the record button. Right here we do have up and down. Right here we do have the setting option and the confirm button. And right here we do have the return and cancel button. And we see right now we do have the child lock on. So the way how you guys turn it off, you basically want to press right here. And that basically unlocks it. So the first thing they'll tell you guys to set up right here is the timer option. So let's do that first. So we'll just set it at 10 PM for now. So you guys want to press that to confirm. If you guys want to press it to cancel or go back. And we see how it goes back. So I'll do 10 PM like I mentioned. And next thing they'll tell you guys is to set up the meal option. So here is 1. And tell you guys how much to add. So this is 0, there's 1. So basically goes up to 8, but we'll just set it at 2 for now. And ask you guys what time you guys want to set it at. So if you want to set it at 10:10, you do have the option available. But you see how it does lock by itself if you guys don't actually change it fast enough. So I don't unlock again. And let's continue it. So we'll do 10:10 like I mentioned. And you're going to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. You don't have to set all 6 if you guys don't want to, but you do have the option available. So if you guys want to skip all of that, you can just let it lock by itself, or you can just press something else to actually start using it. So I do unlock it. You basically have the manual feed option. So let's press right there. Now you can change how much you guys want. So let's say we do 2. But because we don't have anything inside, there's nothing for us to feed. So I'll show you guys what it actually looks like in a second when we do put food inside. But once it's done, it will stop by itself. And then right underneath that, in the bottom, we do have a record button. So if you guys want to use the recording option, you basically want to press and hold the button. So just like this. Hey, can you hear me? Hello? So that is basically how you guys use the recording option. So each time when you guys press and hold it, you guys can basically start recording stuff on here. And once you guys do let go, that is basically how you guys use the recording option on here. So that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to set up and how to use it. Now let me put some food inside of here to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Let me put some food inside. So I'm gonna open it up and put the food inside. So I'm gonna put it back on and close it back up. And now we can test it out. So if you guys unlock it, if you guys do the manual option, let's do 1, or maybe let's do 2, and now let's dispense it. And you see how it does dispense the food out, and it does show you guys the time that's on there. So the product definitely does work. And if you guys want to dispense more food, feel free to do so. Let's say we do 4. So you see the product definitely does work. So very easy and very simple for it to set up. So now let's test it out with our pet to show you guys what the product looks like when you do use it. So you see the product definitely does work, and they actually like it a lot. If you see the size, the product is perfect for small pet, but you do have the option to use for a big pet if you guys want to as well. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So regardless if you guys are at home or if you guys are not at home, you can basically use both the manual option and the schedule option to feed your pet. So that way you can preset a time for when the food comes out, which is pretty convenient. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality automatic pet feeder that has a similar design and the same function that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.